In this video, you'll learn how to improve video quality in Adobe Premiere Pro using simple tools and effects. Start by going to the Project panel and right-clicking in the empty area. Hover over New Item and select Adjustment Layer. Keep the settings as they are and click OK. Now, drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline, placing it on the layer above your video clip. Trim or extend it so it matches the length of your video. Next, go to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, go to the top menu and click on Window. From here, enable both Effects and Effect Controls. Now in the Effects panel, search for Sharpen. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Then search for Unsharp Mask and also drag that onto the adjustment layer. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Set the Sharpen amount to 15. Then set the Unsharp Mask amount to 100. That's it. You've now improved your video quality in Premiere Pro using only built-in tools. Thanks for watching.